Hi examinees! So we will solve the previous word problem that is posted on the page, and it's all about age. Paula is twice as old as Queenie 7 years ago, and the sum of their ages was 16. How old is Queenie now? Now we would love to represent Paula as P, and remember, Paula is twice as old as Queenie. So that would be equals to 2Q, and Q would be represented by Queenie herself. Okay? Now, the equation says, or the problem says 7 years ago. When we talk about ago, which means it's minus. Okay? So minus both of them, then 7 years, that's 7. The sum of their ages was 16. So if we add both equations, the answer that we expect should be 16. So let's clarify things out and transpose all of what we have here to a different and much more readable equation. Okay, so basically that's P plus Q equals to 16. So let's just present it as 2Q minus 7 for P plus Q minus 7 equals to 16. Now we have both equations presented as Q, so we can just simply add it like 2Q plus Q equals to 3Q minus 14 equals to 16. So let's transpose 14 to the other side, and when we transpose it, that would become positive. So that would be 3Q plus 6 equals to 16 plus 14. 3Q equals to 30. So we need to isolate Q, so we divide both sides to 3, and Q is equals to 10. So the correct answer would be letter B. So for those of you who got the correct answers, good job. But of course, we will not stop there. Let's check our work. Alright. Going back to the original equation, so that's 2Q plus minus 7 plus Q minus 7. And remember, Q is equals to 10. So let's just substitute it. 2 times 10 minus 7 plus 10 minus 7. Now, don't forget to still include the parentheses there, because the rule of PEMDAS, parenthesis goes first, okay? So 2 times 10 equals to 20 minus 7 plus 10 minus 7 equals to 3 equals to 16. So 20 minus 7, 13 plus 3 equals to 16. And therefore, we have 16 equals to 16. So our solution is correct. So good job.